Hi, it's RKP Customs again, and welcome to the part 2 of my hobby workshop enlargement. It's about the floor, the double floor. I laid down as a protection for the original floor, and so here is my workshop now at the moment, how it's looking. And because it's not big enough for my bigger custom dreams I want to build, I need more machines and something like that. And today I did the second floor. At this place I will enlarge the hobby workshop to this place and turn this IKEA Kallax to this wall. So I will turn it on 90 degrees and chop it from this to this, so it will fit to this wall. At the moment I'm very satisfied with the floor and it's doing its job. Stay tuned for next time. Bye.